Good morning, my peoples. Rolling Smith here with Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance, letting the old side by side warm up before we head out on the line. Rained all day yesterday. Could be empty traps, could be a lot of possums, could be anything. This has been the most experiencing year I've had since I've been trapping. I've only been trapping about 7 years. I believe this makes 7 years. 6 or 7. I'd have to look. Anywho, look at what we got. Found that on my trap line. My trap gone. Trying to hold it still. Trying to get the camera to focus. Some say it's a chew out. Some say it's a bad cut deal. I don't see no metal markings. I believe it was a chew out. I'm hoping, in a way, it was a chew out. And then again, I'm hoping that it wasn't. For the simple fact, if it's a thief, I'm going to stop him. He gets one, he'll get more without consequence. If it's a chew out, then I've got a critter out there with a trap on it. And that's a catch-22. But we're going to investigate a little bit more this morning. See what I can find. I looked around yesterday, couldn't really tell nothing. There wasn't no dig marks, wasn't no scarring on a tree. Why would an animal get caught and lay down and chew out instead of pull? When they pull, I was tethered to a tree. When they pull, they usually collar that tree. Nevertheless, either or. That's 3 traps in 6 or 7 years that I've been trapping. Not bad, but I'm a po fella and I don't want to lose one. Stick around and stay with me. Let's see what today holds. Quit rambling. Let's get out of here.
MBA is sponsored in part by Loring Outdoors and viewers like you.
As you can already tell, I'm not freshening anything up today. No sense in wasting product. Let them sit, let this pass. Freshen up tomorrow if it runs through. This is the worst part about running my line is I have to be on the blacktop with this side by side. And it's dangerous. I'm telling you, it's dangerous. You get run over. Anywho, let's head up. Stay with me. Snow. I've had to sit out here for shit since the season started. Excuse my French. Connection. Hope he's caught good. Yeah, he's caught good. He's caught good. He ain't going nowhere. He ain't going nowhere. That's a Jasper John I've been after. Been robbing me blind. And I believe he's got shoulder mites. I believe he's got shoulder mites. Get a little closer look. I don't know. Yeah, he's eat up. He's eat up. Yeah, he's got shoulder mites. Yep. Sorry about your luck, duck. Yeah, he's got shoulder mites. Makes number 11 for the season. Dang. Pretty too, buddy. Pretty. Good pad catch. I believe that's a Duke. Might be a number 3. Might be a number 2. I don't know. But yeah, he's got shoulder mites, I believe. I'll get him out and get a better look at him. And we'll see what we got. But Look at this right here coming. My kind of weather. He's dry. He won't be for long because it's snowing, pouring snow. He took my bone out. I'll do a reset right here with that trap. But I've got a full pad catch. Yeah, it's a full pad catch. I believe he's got shoulder mites. I don't know. I have to get a better look at him. I believe he's got shoulder mites. I believe he does. Can't hardly tell. Let's dispatch him, get him out of here. Stay with me. Same song, second verse. Piece of meat back in the rock. Build it up just a little bit to avoid them from coming around. Only way he's got to go is through that trap. If he stretches around, his hind's gonna be in that. But that was a full front pad catch. Same set, same place. Stay with me. Yeah. I was kind of hoping he didn't have shoulder mites, but I took a glove and skinned it back and looked. Yeah. Big ball spot right there underneath the guard hairs. He may have just caught it or whatever, but or she, it's female. Not going home with me, buddy. Let's go. So I done some investigating. I can't tell. There's no burn mark on the tree, and most of the time if you catch anything and it's strong enough to pull that 1/8" cable into or chew it into, it's already pulled. It's already burned a place, a ring around a tree that you're tethered to. No sign. I'd say somebody's come in rabbit hunting and got their dog and got mad and took whatever they had and cut the cable into. Took off with the trap. It is what it is. I catch them. They'll be out of the mountains for about 2 years. I don't play games like that. I don't mess with nobody's stuff. I don't want my stuff messed with. Stay with me. We got to go down to the property. We may have us a giraffe down there. Blind purple people eater. Zippity doo dah. If you watch the video, I think it was last year before last, I went through up under the electric fence to get a bobcat. It lit me up, son. Stay with me. Get you a drink. Prime example. We didn't have nothing down the field, but you can see a trail going right down through here, right down between them trees. I'll set me a snare right there tomorrow. I know there ain't no deer going down between them 3 trees right there. Shoot, that ain't. I think probably 8 inches, 10 inches apart. Just enough room for a snare or two. But I can tell exactly right there between them 2 trees on your right. They're going right down that bank. I got my snares down, worked them a little bit, and I wasn't satisfied with the coating that was on them. So I dropped them down, rolled them up about 8 inches, and put them back in the Formula 1. Then I'm set for another day anyway. But up on the hill where I caught Amy, something come up and drug it down. I'd say this is it right here. See that trail right there? See that trail going right to there? Right through there. So, put me a snare down here. Put me a snare down here. I put me two on that bank right there where that rib's wired into that tree. It's been a year now, I'm telling you. To date, 11 coyotes. Nothing down here today, so nothing. So it is what it is. Everything's been pretty far. I reset that one on the mountain and put that one back that was missing. So I'd say that coyote had shoulder mites. Kind of looked kind of odd, so I peeled the hair back on his shoulders, and no, he wasn't coming home with me. Didn't trust it, didn't look good. Had short stubble hair, ball of spots. So it was either mange or mites, one. But I've got 4 or 5 snares to set up at the bait station. Let's see. Got 2 to set out in the lower field or the upper field. And I'm gonna set probably 3 down here. So I'll get me another order of snares and another order of that Formula 1 dip. And I got to get the Belials dipped, get them cleaned, get them dipped today. And a lot of work to do. I hope you follow along with me, stay with me. That's a habit, stay with me, stay with me. But let's head to the house, got work to do. It's Roland Smith Mountain Bushcraft Nights. Always go farther, stay longer. Temperatures dropping, it's snowing a little bit. I'll catch you out there somewhere. Thanks for watching.